Good morning, welcome to another session with OCD. Welcome to my workshop. It's quite a cool morning, but it's beautiful sunshine. The rain has finally stopped coming down, so I'm going to get out and clean my X3 this morning. I'm not going to video it because it's just a maintenance wash. It's a little bit grubby, it's picked up some bit of road grime, but the protection is doing really well, and we'll go out and have a look at the protection in a minute, and I'll show you how well that's performing, because the rain is still on the car from last night. So I'm going to do a quick maintenance wash, but I thought what I'd do today is use a product I haven't used for probably best part of a year, and there's not much sort of publicity about it. It's P&S Paint Gloss Showroom Spray and Shine. I suppose it's overshadowed by its stablemate Brake Buster and Bead Maker really, but P&S do some good products. And I've used this, like I said, I've used it before. There's about half a bottle gone there, but I haven't used it for a long time. So as the protection's doing really well on the car, I thought what I'd do is give it a bit of a maintenance wash and then a spruce up with that. And as I haven't used that on film before, I thought I'd give you guys a quick view of it. It's really easy to use. It's a very quick detail spray, but it really does bring the gloss out. So let's have a quick look at the protection of the car, and then I'll turn the camera off, have myself a cup of coffee or two, and give it a maintenance wash, and then we'll catch up, shall we? Let's go and open the doors and have a look at the car. Right, so here we are. Let's have a look at the protection on it. I haven't touched it for, I don't know how long, must be a month I guess. And there it is. Like you can see, there's quite a bit of road grime on it, splashing up from the water, but protection's still holding up really well. I'm really pleased with it. This is Reflect ceramic wax and their SiO2 detail spray. So I'm just going to give it a maintenance wash this morning, and then once I've done that, I'll get back to you and we'll put the P&S paint gloss on it. So let me go and put the coffee on and get this sorted out, and I'll catch you later. Right, okay guys, so I've washed and dried the car. I snow foamed it. We'll talk about what products I used at the end. Snow foamed it, rinsed it, hand washed it, rinsed it, dried it. Had a cup of coffee, and it's sitting there waiting for me to apply P&S Paint Gloss Showroom Spray and Shine. All this is a really simple but effective detail spray. So let's just go and put it on the car, and you see how it works. Okay, so just I always use a reasonably plush microfiber, but you use whatever you like to do, and then just give it a couple of mists over, and then just rub it in. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all there is to it. Obviously you want to put this on a well protected car. This isn't necessarily protection, it will give you protection for a week or so, but that's about all. So I'm not relying on this for protection. I've got my Reflect SiO2 on there for protection. This just gives it that extra pop and just puts a smile on my face, and that's always important, isn't it? So let's do a little bit more.
Ready?
Hope you all heard that. Sounds like my lunch is ready. Well, I don't get told twice, so I better get in there. I'll catch you at lunch. Right, I've had my lunch. Toasted sausage and onion rolls, lovely jubbly. Right, let's give this winger. Obviously after a while the glove gets damp, just turn it over. Makes out a lovely deep colour. So soft, slick. Right, so I'm going to go around the rest of the car and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Oh, before we go, you can also use it on windows. Okay, so that's that done. So we'll go out and have a look around it in a minute. But like I say, it's a very quick detailer. It's very quick. It really does make the car pop. So it's not something you would put on necessarily for protection, but you put it on to make the car pop, and that really does make it pop. And I haven't used it for a long time. I think it's been on the shelf for about a year. But as you can see, there's about half of the bottle's gone, so I've used it quite a bit, but like I said, about a year ago or maybe even longer. But yeah, so that's P&S Paint Gloss Showroom Spray and Shine. It's, you know, it's a real final little bit to make your car pop. So that's that. Just for information, so I snow foamed the car. I used Reflect Car Care Arctic Blast. I washed it. I used Reflect Car Care Jelly Bean. Reflect Car Care Restorer for the tyre walls, and HDD Breakthrough Wheel Shampoo to wash my wheels with. Let's go out and have a look at the car, and then that's a wrap. So there we are. Really makes it pop. Really does add that finishing touch. That's what a detail spray is supposed to do. Just finish that off. You can see the slickness on it. I mean, it feels really lovely. So guys and gals, until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.